compounds that we need to solve. So first off, let's start with copper sulfate. So in this compound, we have to find out the oxidation number of sulfate here. Okay, or sulfur here. So let's find it out. So let's write down the compound once again. CuSO4, and let's assume the oxidation number of sulfur is X over here, and copper's oxidation number is +2. Okay, so if it's +2 over here, so let's write down +2. Okay, multiplied by 1 plus X multiplied by 1 plus -2 multiplied by 4. Okay, equals to what? Equals to 0. Okay, it equals to 0. Okay, and why it's equals to 0? Because this is a compound and the compound's net charge is always 0, right? So we have +2 plus X plus X, and then we have -8, right? -8 equals to 0. So from here what we get is X equals to +6. So the oxidation number of sulfur over here in copper sulfate, the oxidation number of sulfur is +6. Okay, oxidation number of sulfur in copper sulfate is +6. We have another compound, and that is that is nitric acid. This is called nitric acid or hydrogen nitrate, whichever you want to call it. Okay, let's find out the oxidation number of nitrogen over here. So let's write down the compound first. Let's use another color. Okay, so HNO3. Okay, so hydrogen's barrier separating these two. So hydrogen's oxidation number is generally it's +1. Sometimes the -1 case is a not very rare. It's like it doesn't occur generally. Generally it's +1. So let's give it a +1 multiplied by 1 plus, let's assume the oxidation number of nitrogen is X. Okay, so X multiplied by 1 plus, for oxygen, the oxidation number is -2. Okay, so let's write it down. -2 multiplied by 3, and the net charge of this compound would be what? It would be 0. So it's 0. Okay. 1 plus X minus 6 equals to 0. So here in nitric acid, the oxidation number of nitrogen is +5. So are we correct? Let's find out. Here oxidation number of hydrogen is 1. The oxidation number of nitrogen is +1. The oxidation number of oxygen is -6. So +1 plus 5 equals to +6. And we have -6 plus 6 minus 6. So it's balancing. The net charge of the compound becomes what? 0. So this means the answer we have found out or figured out is actually correct. And the oxidation number of nitrogen over here is +5.